For new employees commencing mid-year, set up your employee in the normal manner. For assistance with this, please view our tutorials on setting up an employee. For a new employee starting mid-year, a start date is essential in order to ensure that the employee is added to the payroll in the correct pay period. It is also an RTI requirement that the employee's starter details are included in your full payment submission to HMRC the first time you pay them. The employee's start date must therefore be entered in the designated field provided within their starter leavers section. After the employee's start date has been entered, a starter declaration menu will appear. Select the statement that is applicable to the employee from the drop-down listing. If the starter declaration that your employee makes is statement B or C, then enter the employee's taxable pay and tax paid from their previous employment in the fields provided. Next, enter the relevant tax code to use based on the employee's starter declaration. In the event that the employee has been sent to work for you but continues to be employed by an overseas employer, complete the Seconded to Work in UK section accordingly. If you have reviewed the employee's passport as part of checking that they have the right to work in the UK, the employee's passport number can be entered in the employee's personal section for inclusion in your full payment submission to HMRC. As soon as your new employee's starter details have been entered, click Save. Your new employee will now be added to the payroll in the pay period which corresponds to their start date. Please note, since the introduction of RTI, employers are no longer required to submit a P45 or P46 to HMRC informing them of a new employee. Instead, HMRC will be notified of the new employee in the full payment submission you submit to them the first time you pay the employee.